Alright guys, welcome again. Finally, I got the tire. Came out in this huge box right here. Yep, 20 by 5. Right, the difference between these two tires right here. You can see how wide it is. And these are probably like 2-3 times heavier. Right, we're gonna take this one out. Now we're gonna remove the tire. Remember, the tire has to spin this way. So right out the bat, I noticed that it was a little bit challenging to get the tire in. So you just had to put a little bit of air and play with it. Right, we're doing 30 psi. Should be good. Remember, this tire is a little bit wider, but keep in mind we are using the same tube as the 20 by 4. So I finally finished, and yep, it's working good. So now we connect the motor and put some zip ties to make sure it doesn't move. Yep, and we're done. So we're gonna do some testing. I really like how it looks now. Now we go outside. So this model is the Actbest Super X. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. Oh, this is just a cover that I got to protect the battery from dust and rain. I'm a heavy rider, so I don't care if it's raining or whatever. I will ride this thing anywhere. So the only issue that I'm having is that when I'm in first gear, I'm gonna show you right now. When I'm in first gear, the chain kind of rubbers the tire. But that doesn't really bother me because I always ride my bike in the 7th gear. Because I just hate to be ghost pedaling. I could use the 2nd gear and it will work just fine. Other thing I want to mention, the stock tires are more noisy on the road. And that's about it. Thank you for watching part 2. Like and subscribe for more videos.